Hi guys, this is the fruits of my red Suki beans. It's dry, connected in the plant of connected of the red Suki plant, so it is dry without harvesting. So I will conduct another experiment of this red Suki beans. I am is continue studying to plant this kind of nutritious beans because this will help more not only in the Filipinos uh, but in or all for the intent to teach more uh, beginner farmer to how to plant the red Suki beans. So watch my experiment. So this is the part of my experiment, but sad to see the part 1 is I did not record. This is the part of my experiment. The part 1 is sad to say I did not recorded. So this now I will try to plant like this. This is the cow dung. So we will try to let's put in this area. This kind of beads it's very aggressive. So that kind of planting you will see the result as soon as possible. If God permitted, the seeds will be germinate. So thank you for watching.